Hi, this is Topher with BigCommerce. I'd like to show you how you can change the slugs for your products page, categories, and brands pages. And before I begin, I'd like to talk about what I mean by slug. Right here is our website URL, and everything that comes after it in WordPress is called a slug. Here's an example. If I click on all products, it says /products. So that's the slug for the products page. If I go to a brand, then the slug is /products/brands. Then this particular product has its own slug called common good. We're going to look at only changing the products and the brands, and then also the categories slugs. The way you do that is under the customizer. So let's go back to the products page to start, and I'll click customize. And we'll go to the BigCommerce area, and then under product catalog, right here is where you can change all of the slugs. There's products, categories, and brands. So let's change products to shop. And I'll hit publish. And while we're in the customizer, you can't actually see that in the URL. So now that I've published, I'm going to close the customizer and reload this page. And you'll see that it says, oops, that page can't be found because products doesn't exist anymore. So if I click here again, now it goes to shop. Now you want to be careful with this. It can really mess up your SEO if you have used one for a long time and then suddenly switch. Google doesn't like things changing like that. But if this is a new store, this is exactly the time to be changing it. So let's change categories and brands as well. We'll change categories to types, and brands can be partners. We'll click publish and leave here. And now if we go to bath, it says shop types bath. And then brands says shop partners common good. Now you note that the menu did not change automatically. That's because this menu is mostly handcrafted, and you'll have to change that yourself. So let's take a look at that. We go to menus. It's right here. So you can change categories to types and brands to partners. And we'll save this menu and go back to the home page. And there's our types and partners. Now I'd like to reiterate, you should really only change these on a new store. If you've been using the other for a while, then Google will not be happy if it disappears. So these are the kinds of things you should be setting up at the beginning of a new store. If you found this video helpful, click that thumbs up icon right below.